So our high priority task right now is to replace this stovepipe. I knew it was getting bad, but when we were here in the summer, I didn't really need it. And there was a few little pinholes in it, but now it's December 1st and we're back. And when I started pushing on it, it's just gone. So I guess bottom line, if it looks like it's getting bad, it's probably worse than it looks. So I'm ready I removed the screws and I just loosened up the strap. So I have the new pieces right here. And I have all the stickers off, which that's no easy task, getting those stickers off, and I don't want them on there. I tried 70% alcohol, but that didn't do it. So I went back to the WD-40, which I had used before. I get most of it off without that, and then the last thing to get the rest of the goo off. Okay, Maya and Ava are down here with me. Oh, our light's looking really good. We had put oil or Z-zip on this last time, the outdoor light. That's looking really good, so we'll get that up one of these days. I don't know if I'll do it this time. Maya and Ava are looking for stones down here. Okay, let's rip this thing apart. Then we're gonna have to drill some holes to get the damper in. And this thing got messed up, so we're gonna straighten that out. And we're going to put it close to the top like we did before, probably about right in here. They're 2-foot sections. Okay, it's 6-inch, so basically it's not too hard. We just have one elbow at 90 degrees. And then we'll clean the chimney out too when we get that off. And hopefully we can do some more concrete work here too, this trip. Okay, let's get this apart, get the new one on, get a fire going in here.